Morning, Boomerangs.
Morning.
We are breaking down camp, and I saw a Lavish sound competition and bike show. It's about 15-20 minutes away from here. We do have another event to go to tonight. Hopefully we have enough time to go check out this sound competition and bike show. So if we make it over there, you'll find out.
Yeah.
All right, see you soon. And that's where the show and sound competition is. I'm going to swing around, give you a nice view of everything, and I believe what they said was back that way is where the bike show is going to be, and sound competition. So we'll take a walk. Thank you very much. And I just read here they've contributed $200 million back to communities. So you come under here, go see Lexi, get a cone of ice. All right, gang, I hope you can hear me, but I had to show you this one. Take a look at this.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, doesn't even matter. I tried so hard, got so far. In the end,
So I just took a walk, and I'm not really sure if this is the bike show or if this is just parking. There are some beautiful bikes here. I'm going to show you one up here in just a second. Now, would you call that gold? Copper? What color is that? Pretty, whatever color you call it. Purple? Is that purple or blue? Purple. I have a hard time between purple and blue. And Princess says this is gold. All right, then it's gold. Look at that one. Man, that's really pretty. Parked in between a couple of Indians. So you know I love Indians. One day I might get one. But check this blue one up here. That's the one I wanted to show you. The red one right next to it, not far behind. How awesome is that? All right, Boomerangs, I'm here with Richard. He is the owner of this beautiful bike. Richard, you want to say hey to the people?
Hey, how you guys doing?
So he's agreed to tell us a little about the bike. So Richard, it's all you, my friend.
How you doing, everyone? So this is a 2016 Road Glide Special. Just to tell you about it, she's got a 30-inch on the front. We decided to go with a unique color. So you see she's beautiful.
It is beautiful.
All Covington parts. See the motor's been done, diamond cut. We had it painted as well.
And you said it took you about a year to do this?
Yeah, it's about a year. So we purchased her from another subscriber, another owner, and then we just brought her back to life.
That's beautiful.
She sat in the garage for probably about 3 years, not used. So we call her Charisma. You see on the plate, we call her Charisma.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go.
Of course, we hope she's a champion like Notre Dame's going to be this year.
We can hope, right?
Yeah, oh yeah. Now, we've been in an accident. I got in an accident on my other bike in May, so we haven't really rode her.
Yeah.
But, you know, we're just trying to just restore, bring her back to life. Hope you guys enjoy it. Tell us what you think. Show it to your friends. All
Absolutely.
Right?
Leave a comment, leave a like. Absolutely beautiful work. Thank you, Richard. All right, guys, this is Richard's other bike. He's going to crank up the sound for us so we can hear it. As you can hear, there is a sound competition. He's got some beautiful bikes. There we go. Alright, Boomerangs, we're here with Guido, and wait till you see this bike. I'm going to swing around and then Guido's going to tell us a little bit about it. There she is. Look at that beauty right there. Alright, sir, it's all you.
Well, it's a 2013 Gold Wing. I chromed it out. I did a candy apple paint job on it. It got a sound system in it, 6 speakers. Chrome rims front and back. It got lights on there, halo rings, and just some small little stuff that you really can't see during the day.
Let me show them the halo rings. There, you can see them right in there. They red also?
They all colors.
All colors. Look at that.
Yeah, they go all colors.
Well, I know they say Road King is king of the road, but oh, there we go. Look at it. And he did that from his phone. So you know, oh, look at that. I'm jealous. Y'all know I'm technically challenged. He showed me up with his bike. Now he's showing me up with his technology. Look at all that. Doing all that on an app, huh?
Yeah. And to do more than that, I just keep it red because the lights on the bike is red. So.
Yeah. That's beautiful. How long have you owned it?
Since 15.
Okay. That's stunning. And I bet she rides like a dream.
Like a Cadillac.
Like a Cadillac. Well, subscribers to our channel know we have a gold wing, and we understand that.
Sure is a shame.
So we're here with Deanne, Guido's better half, and she tells us that she makes the bike look good. That's what she said.
I did say it, yeah.
She is invested in that bike.
I am very invested in this bike. Yes, very much so.
Thank you both. Beautiful bike. Thank you for talking with us.
Thank you for coming by. We appreciate it.
Okay, we're here with Ray, and he has got a beautiful bike. He's going to show us a couple things about it. Ray, it's all you, my friend.
Just, you want to be seen, so you want different styles of lights. Give you turn signals, brakes, all that stuff in the back end.
Let me get up front. I'll show you the front.
Just want to be seen going down the road.
Look how she lights up down there. Yep. That'll get you seen, no doubt.
You want to be seen.
That's almost better than orange vest.
Everything helps.
Yeah, it does.
You want to be visible.
That's beautiful. It's a 2016, you said, right?
Actually, it's a 2015.
2015, and you bought it brand new.
Yep.
She's beautiful. And now we were having a discussion about the color. You say the color is amber?
It's called Amber Whiskey.
Amber whiskey. I can see that. Man. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Have a good one.
You too. Well, Boomerangs, I pretty much had to make that all pictures. It's a sound competition, and there was a lot of loud music there. Copyright strikes on the music. Plus, you couldn't do many interviews because of all the loud music you really can't hear. So hopefully you enjoyed all of the beautiful bikes we saw there. I set that to some music, but that's safe music to play. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next time.
Thanks, guys.